Hello and welcome to the Stage 1 Basic Training Water Safety little tutorial. So now, today we're going to go over a couple of steps to actually completing a successful water landing, and we're just going to simulate a scenario in which either your engines are dead, you have to land in the water for any particular reason, but point is, you have to land, let's say. So we're going to start off with the basics. So first thing is clearing a path for you to land in. So you see over there, roughly southwest 191, you can see there's an oil rig right here. You don't want to do that, okay? You don't want to land facing something or some object, island, whatever it may be, that could possibly stop you. Alright, so we're going to clear a path right here west. Seems pretty clear, in between the Jandaria and the island. We're fine. Okay, next step. Getting your throttle down. Now, in the T45, the throttle stall speed is 70%, but on an F-18, it's a little bit higher than that. So real quick, we're just going to put our throttle percentage to 1 above your stall speed. All right. Next, you want to start decreasing altitude. Now, angles are really important here, and you don't want to turn while you're doing this. And you're going to get right up to the water, so about 30 to 50, something around that. And you're going to get roughly leveled out. Just like that around there. Okay, so now that you're on a steady course, all right, you're above the water, kind of floating here. What you want to do is you want to stay at this throttle, angle down a little bit. Now hit the water and pull up. Immediately pull up and increase your angle to like that much. Now you're going to notice here we start bouncing. Then, once you start bouncing, you see we go a little bit lower in the water. You want to level out just slightly. And then a little bit more, and then hold equal sign, level out completely. And there we go. At this point, your engine is dead. That is why it's important that you get your angles right here. So the first step, just to reiterate what we just did there, is getting your angles right. So when you first land, you want to dip down, and then pull up before you hit the water. So you're like roughly that. You want to be at like this angle right here when you first hit the water. After like the second bounce, you want to level out a little bit more. And then when you're right at the end and you start getting a little bit of control here, you want to completely level out. You don't have to manage your throttle after this because your engines will automatically die once hitting the water. Once you level out, you can completely exit the aircraft, you can end flight, or if you're lucky enough to be by ships, a ship can come and pick you up possibly on the hard point. So that is pretty much how you do it. Just keep in mind, first hitting the water, you want to be around that. You want to keep your throttle 1 above your stall speed. Then you want to level out a bit more. And then you want to completely level out. And that's the end. Very simple stuff. It's just a matter of practice, and with a bit of hard work, you can get this right. Pretty easy. Alright, hope to see you in the skies.